Okay, so welcome to my videos. In these videos, I'll share to you guys the tutorial how to scrape image data easily using Python, so you guys don't need to download the image data one by one or manually. So in this tutorial, I'll use Google Colab, of course, so you guys can try this without installing anything, and you guys can access this Google Colab as long as you guys have a Google account or Gmail or anything. So if you guys ask me why am I making these videos, even though these videos or this topic is pretty simple and pretty straightforward, I can say. So the thing is, I plan to make a machine learning project from scratch series, where the first series will be the image classification from scratch project, and this image data scraping videos will be the first videos for that series. And instead of using open source data from Kaggle or elsewhere, I will get the data or I will scrape the data by myself. Okay, so for you guys information, in these videos I will scrape the image data using the Bing image downloader library. I will put the documentation and the GitHub link for this library in the description. And as you guys can see from the library name, we will scrape the image data from the Bing search engine. So I'm pretty sure you guys already know what Bing is. So Bing is basically a search engine like Google. And yeah, the search engine is developed by Microsoft, and the search engine is quite famous, even though not as famous as Google, but still, the search engine is powerful, useful, and a great search engine to use. So let's just get right into the tutorial. Okay, so first we need to connect the Google Colab first by clicking this thing. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so after we connect our Google Colab session or Runtime, first we need to install this library. We use the pip downloader and we can just run this cell right away to install the Bing image downloader library. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so after we install this library, we need to import the downloader function from this Bing image downloader library by running the cell from Bing image downloader, import downloader. Okay, after that, we need to define our dataset directory, and you guys can save your downloaded data in your Collab directory, but it will be deleted once you close the Collab. So I will recommend you guys to save it in your drive instead instead of save it in your Collab directory. Okay, to save it in your drive, first we need to mount the drive to our Collab. We can do that by just clicking this mount drive thing in here. Click this and connect to Google Drive. Okay, but if this thing doesn't work properly, you guys can run this file instead. But because I already mount the drive by clicking this thing, I will skip this cell and go right into the next cell. I will set the directory. Okay, so after we mount the drive, you guys can see that I already have this drive file folder. This is actually our drive, so we guys can open this, and for this directory I think I will create a new folder, new directory for this dataset. Okay, new folder. I will name it image dataset. Okay, so I will set this as my directory. We can copy the path here, just paste this in here. Don't forget to quote this directory. Okay, even though I create the directory in my Colab, this is actually connected with our Google Drive, so our Google Drive will also have this uh, image dataset directory or image dataset folder. Okay, so after that, let's just download the image right away. Like what I said before, this video is actually pretty straightforward. So yeah, we can just download right away using this cell, using this code. Downloader.download the keyword that we want to download, the limit or the amount of image that we want to download, the directory, this one, and the adult filter. If you want to turn on the adult filter, we can set this adult filter of parameter as true, but if we don't want to, we can just set it by false. Okay, I will download these three datasets, tiger, cheetah, and lion, and because those three is not adult related, I think, so I'll just set it as false, and you guys can set the limit whatever you guys want, but I'll just set it to 25 or 20 because this is just like an example. Okay, download it. Oh, I'm sorry, what is this? Wait a minute. Oh, I'm sorry, I haven't run this. Okay, let's just run this first and then run this cell. Okay, so it will download the image data right away. This process will depend on your internet and on your limit, the amount of image you want to download, of course. And because I think it will take a quite long time, I will just pause the record and I'll continue right away after this downloading session is finished. Okay, I am back. I already downloaded these three datasets, namely tiger, cheetah, and lion. This three will be the case for our image classification series. And for the downloaded image, we can check it here, my drive and the image dataset directory. Wait a minute. Okay, this is lagging, but that's okay. We can check it in here, or we also can check it in our Google Drive. Here, image dataset, we can see the cheetah dataset here. There are some random image like this. Also in the lion and tiger, there are also some random image like this, but that is okay. For avoiding this, random image, we can specify more the keyword that we want to use in the downloader. For example, we will specify this tiger keyword with tiger animal image JPEG, for example, to avoid uh, the library downloading the random image. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that's how to scrape image data using this Bing image downloader. uh, so yeah, in the next videos for our image classification project from scratch series, I will do the tutorial videos to split this dataset. Yeah, even the splitting data is not really a necessary step because we can use validation split in image data generator, for example. But in case if you guys want to use the image data generator and need to split the data, instead of splitting the data manually, we guys can splitting the data automatically using split folders library. So that's the thing for next videos. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, you can share it or like it or comment or anything you guys want. And if you guys have any question, you guys can just ask in the comment. But if you don't really like these videos on, or yeah, you don't really feel these videos, you guys can just, I don't know, just skip these videos. Don't comment anything bad because I am sensitive. I'm just kidding, you guys can do whatever you guys want. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching these videos. Yeah, thank you. Bye.